Joining me this morning is Joseph Griffith from AAA, and thank you for being here with us this morning. This guy is a very busy guy right now, because we're talking about insurance and what you need to do right now to file claims and make sure you get that process rolling. So first of all, tell us kind of what you guys are doing.
One of the first things we did was coordinate an effort to find a way to facilitate the claims as fast as possible. We put that program in place, and we've started the process before the hurricane even hit Florida. So in that process, the most important thing is to get the information to us so that we can get it out to the field and have the homes inspected as quickly as possible.
Okay, so once homeowners have called in, what do they need to make sure they have at the ready for when you guys arrive?
When they first contact us, they need to make sure they have their claim number, and it is important that the policyholder call. Due to privacy laws, we need to make sure that we're talking to the policyholder, not providing personal information out to someone that's not entitled to that. So that would be the first step. The second step would be to always protect themselves in the event of any danger. The third thing would be to mitigate and protect their property from further damage. And once we get the information from them that they have a claim in the assessment of damages or a summary of damages, then we can get the claims process started.
And you said one really important thing to focus on right now is the word patience, because there are I mean, you guys have so many workers out in Florida, but there are so many people to get to.
That's correct. We've ramped up. We've added 100+ people to the field. We've added 30+ people to the office to facilitate the claims, and we're working 14-hour days, 7 days a week. Some of us are working more than 14 hours in an effort to get those claims processed as quickly as possible.
And another thing, you guys can't really work in the dark either.
We do work in the dark.
Oh, you do? Okay.
Our facility has a generator should the power go out.
Well, when you're going out inspecting people's houses.
Those people out in the field, believe it or not, I spent 20 years in the field, and I spent all the daylight hours out inspecting, and I would go home or back to the hotel and write estimates till midnight.
Okay.
Get up at 6 or 5, whenever the sun comes up, and start inspecting. So that's the process that we put in place and what we try to get our inspectors to do.
Okay, so help is coming, but make sure you definitely have the policy number and the person who is actually the policy holder, and just get those claims in right away.
Correct, and just give us a call. We're happy to help. We want to do everything possible to facilitate the claim.
All right, Joseph Griffith with AAA, thank you so much for joining us this morning.